Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Workday for AI talent automation, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and go to the official Workday registration page. Locate the option for creating a new account. Click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required fields with your personal information. Enter your first and last name accurately. Provide a valid email address that you regularly use. Create a strong password that meets the security criteria. Confirm your password by typing it again in the designated field. Next, you may be asked to select your role or the type of services you are interested in using. Carefully read the terms and conditions presented to you. If you agree, check the box to accept the terms. Click the Submit button to proceed. You will then receive a verification email in your inbox. Open this email and look for the verification link. Click on the link to verify your account. Once your account is verified, return to the Workday login page. Enter your email address and password to log in. After logging in, you may be prompted to complete your profile. Fill in any additional required fields to finalize your registration. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features available. If applicable, initiate the process for AI talent automation. Follow any specific prompts or instructions to set up AI talent automation. Complete any necessary assessments or applications to streamline your experience. Review the information you provided for accuracy. Make sure to save any changes before exiting the platform. You are now successfully registered with Workday for AI talent automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.